welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're a new one. And as you can see, I'm here with my beautiful mother. This is her debut on my channel. I guess she's been on my channel, but she's never been like focused on a video. So today I'm with her because Mother's Day is upcoming. Mother's Day is coming up. So mama ingay. So Mother's Day is coming up. So that's why I bring my mom and I'm gonna be doing her makeup. So basically, I'm gonna be doing a thing on my mom's face, a makeup on my mom's face. So that's gonna be pretty exciting. And are you excited, Mama?
Yeah.
Are we gonna be speaking Tagalog or English? Or English. Taglish na lang. So, yan gagawin ko si Mama ng face for the upcoming Mother's Day. And look, oh, unintentionally matching kami. So, give this video a big thumbs up if you like to see more of my mom on my channel. And without further ado, guys, let's just get started. Yeah! First, I'm gonna be using this Fit Me by Maybelline. This Matte Poreless Foundation. I always use this on my face, so that's why I'm gonna be putting it to my mom. This is in the shade 228. Soft tan. Yes, this is soft tan. Soft tan bronze. Si Mama, ang ingay mo. Nakarap ka sa akin. Ang oily na. Go. Si Mama.
Ayusin mo.
Ayan. Ayan. So guys, yung kapatid ko pala sasali sa Bebot bukas. So, yung village namin ay Bebot. So, basically, ang ingay talaga ni Mama. Mama, magkwento ka. Para may ano sila. Go.
Ako kwento ko.
Magkwento ka. Kahit ano. Gano'n ka kulit si Jasper.
Siyempre, makulit.
Ma!
Huwag maingay na.
No! Yung gift
It's
ni
Mother's
Mama.
Day.
Mother's Day is coming up. Anong plano natin, Mama? Kailan ba yun? Sunday? Yan. Or, saan ba
Mother's
maputi?
Day.
Kay Mama? Yan. First time ko may make-upan si Mama, guys. So, bear with me. Ayusin natin, Ma. Si Mama! Pinapanood mo ako sa YouTube, tapos kaya mga ganun ka. Straight face. Yan. Traveling tips. Mahilig ka di ba mag-travel dati? Ano mo sabi mo sa travel pag nagka-travel, Mama? Sige. Ano? Si Mama! Corny! Yan, kala mo.
Pinagagawa mo sa mukha ko.
Yan, tama yan. Wait lang, ito pa. Highlight. Guys, pag napupunta kami ni Mama ng mall, lagi na ako sinasabi, ang dami ko daw makeup, hindi ko naman ginagamit. So guys, di ba ganun naman talaga? So, may buko pa, Mama. Diba? Ganun talaga sa village namin ang ingay. Mama, wala ka pang ni-spell na... Maganon ka. Yan, kailangan mag-brown.
Kailangan igandahin mo.
Guys, my mom is a biggest fan of LeBron James. Nung po pag nasa Philippines si LeBron, lagi kaming napunta. Kasi si Mama ay super fan. Ano nang update ngayon, Ma?
Siyempre, 4-0 na sila.
Pasok na sila, Ma?
Pasok na sila sa
Saan?
West Conference.
Nag-wait, sino kalaban nila, Ma?
Antay pa.
Sino bang leading?
Or, Boston or Utah.
Hindi pa yung finals?
Hindi pa. Finals pa sa
Saan?
Eastern Conference sa East pa.
East.
Sa East.
So, dream na yun na
Sa
pumunta
East.
saan ba yun, Mama?
Conference.
Manood ng LeBron James live na basketball.
Ano na sila, nag-antay na lang kung sinong mananalo.
Gising ka na,
sa
Ma.
dalawa.
Ano ba to? Ang hirap kilayan ni Mama, guys.
Oh,
Paano yun?
sino?
Hindi ko alam. Ayan. Okay. Sinama ka na ang speechless sa akin is, anong gusto mong kulay ng lipstick mo ba? Yung Gigi Hadid. Guys, gusto daw niyang, bumili kasi kami nung Austin ni Gigi, color red. So, ayun na ang gusto niyang kulay ng lipstick niya ngayon. Ang hirap kilayan ni Mama. Mama, hindi ka pa tapos. Ang kulit. Okay. Your favorite childhood memories of ours. Kwento mo, Ma, yung nag-EK. Nung bata kami, ano ba? Si Mama kasi magkwento ka sa kanila. Makeup? What can you say, Ma? What can you say? Is it what?
Okay na.
Okay lang. Temo, look. Look, guys. What do we look like? Look, guys, do we look like? What can you say, Mama? How about she's using the Gigi Hadid collection of Maybelline. This is Austin. So, that's what she really want to try. So, how I did, rate it 1 to 10. Ilan ako, Ma?
8.
8. She said I'm 8 lang ako, guys.
Number.
And anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, give this video a big thumbs up. And I'm gonna be linking down below Mom's Instagram because she has an Instagram and Twitter. So go follow her and give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to become part of this crazy, amazing channel. And I will love you guys forever. And that's basically it. A happy Mother's Day to all amazing mother out there, including my mom. And I hope she likes my makeup. Kahit beginner pa ako, so I'm not really good at putting others' makeup. So I think I did pretty good. So, so yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Ma, bye-bye.
Bye!
Bye, guys!